Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity COCOMI has appealed to all to suspend their activities and participate in its January 31st rally against the alleged government's deceptive role in the ongoing crisis in the state. Addressing a press meet at its Lamfelpat office, COCOMI convener YK Dhiren informed that the rally will start from Thau Ground Thamaiban at 11 a.m. and conclude at Kumalampak. He alleged that the government of India has been extending suspension of Operation Su signed with the Kuki armed groups to threaten the indigenous people and put Manipur into disorder. Noting that the state has been in shambles since the eruption of the ongoing crisis on May 3, 2023, Dhiren accused Government of India of trying to divide the state by allowing Chin Kuki narco-terrorists to wage war against the Meiteis. He added that the January 31st rally aims to raise a collective voice against the Government of India to stop its alleged destructive approach to the crisis.
India government Chin Kuki narco terrorism sizinarkanda mitam miyamda landari basi udaktagi lepkadabani sigumba crisis asina maram orakanda mayum makai da leifam leitadana leiriba IDB singa se magi maramdamda athuba matamda halanaba government lokatpom thokpa makoigi oiba thogai singa do lokat pigadabani ekoi miyam gi oiba chatliba lambi se free movement lehelakanda highway singa sida ekoi chathok chasin tawbada apanba lehendanaba India government thuba matamda onagadabani haiba amasung Manipur se sahi kayadagi leminaglaba kanglu furup singa sigi nungsi chanaba singa se tadatnaba thugainaba India government honaroidabani ingna bonabada ekoi punbagi kholaw lawminaba changi haiba konjel asipu kholaw asipu ba dumlaba khongchat asi mayam hubna ekoi chanmina duna India gi dumlaba lengakta sapu saitheng ama piba dum kholaw ama oinabgi damakta maruina tongan ba sinbhamda leibiriba furup cha kudingmangna kanglu furup kudingmangna India government ulaiba policy sigi mayokta ekoi punna leminaba gi sigi lobira sida oimina duna ekoi khongchat asi mapung phana chanmina si haiba wafam sima ina COCOMI gi maikai diga hanba thamjege.